Unveiling the Art of Argument Analysis. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we'll be diving deep into a critical aspect of language comprehension: analyzing arguments and evidence. It's not just about understanding what someone is saying, but also about scrutinizing their statements and the supporting evidence they provide. So, let's get started. An argument, in the context we're discussing, is not a fight or disagreement. Rather, it's a claim or statement supported by evidence. Understanding an argument involves classifying two key elements: the claim, what someone is trying to prove, and the evidence, the facts, examples, or data used to support the claim. For example, consider this argument: eating more vegetables leads to better health because a diet rich in vegetables provides essential nutrients and antioxidants. In this case, the claim is, eating more vegetables leads to better health, and the evidence provided is, a diet rich in vegetables provides essential nutrients and antioxidants. Once you've identified an argument's claim and evidence, the next step is evaluating the strength of the evidence. Ask yourself: 1. Is the evidence relevant? Does it directly support the claim or is it unrelated? 2. Is the evidence sufficient? Is there enough evidence to support the claim convincingly? 3. Is the evidence reliable? Does the evidence come from a trustworthy and credible source? If the answer to all these questions is yes, then the evidence and thus the argument might be strong. If not, the argument may need further scrutiny. Arguments aren't always what they seem. Sometimes, they might seem convincing but include logical errors, known as logical fallacies. Here are a few common ones. 1. Hasty generalization, drawing a conclusion based on insufficient evidence. 2. Ad hominem, attacking the person making the argument rather than the argument itself. 3. Appeal to authority, using an authority as evidence in your argument when the authority is not really an authority on the facts relevant to the argument. By recognizing these and other fallacies, you can critically analyze arguments and avoid being misled by faulty reasoning. Finally, applying critical thinking skills is essential when analyzing arguments and evidence. This involves: 1. Asking clarifying questions. If something is not clear, ask questions to understand it better. 2. Assessing the logic. Are the claim and the evidence logically connected? 3. Exploring alternative viewpoints. Could there be another interpretation or perspective that makes sense? Remember, critical thinking is not about proving someone wrong. It's about seeking truth, understanding, and making informed decisions. And that's a wrap. Remember, analyzing arguments and evidence is a key skill in mastering language comprehension and improving your listening skills. By practicing the steps we've discussed today, you can strengthen your ability to evaluate the reliability and credibility of information. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't be afraid to question arguments. Happy learning!